Welcome to CJY Money Entertainment. And I got a package. It's a smile. So we know it came from Amazon. And let's open it up. See what's inside. Okay. I like these packages better because I'm able to save them and use them when it gets holiday time to send out stuff to my honeybees. Hi, honeybees. That's my subscribers, and I love them to death. Here we go. Oh, really? I did not expect these to be that small. This, a company, I belong to a group, and a company picked me to review these. And I must have not looked at the size, and I thought, you know what, I think I can review these. You know, I'm into the kitchen stuff. It is getting ready to be Halloween, so I can make maybe something with them. I did not expect them to be this small. So now I have to come up with something totally different to make. This is just a thank you card. I did receive them a discount, and these are so small, I have no idea what I'm going to make with these. Make something with these. Make something with these. So we'll be back. Okay, these are my white chocolate, and let's see how easy it is to pop them out of here. Take it from the bottom, and they're easily able to pop out. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, because you want to be a honeybee.